Hello Capricorn, this will be your weekly love reading from 23rd to 29th of August 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Capricorn, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you are most welcome, and the email ID is given in the description box. You can email me. Let's start your reading. Nine of Swords, Star, Page of Wands, Devil, Hangman. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups. So, Capricorn. So I can see that you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and in earth sign we have only Capricorn. Okay, specifically we have Capricorn, Pisces and Aquarius. Okay, let's start your reading. Ace of Cups. So this person is in love with you. Okay, they want to tell you about their emotions. They want to talk to you about their feelings, their overflowing emotions. They want to offer you love. Okay, they want to tell you those three magical words. Okay, so this is very straightforward. And Four of Wands. Oh my God, this person wants everything with you. Okay, they are feeling very much with you. So this person may be your twin flame. Okay, twin flame 1111 11 card. So this person wants to get settled with you. They want to marry you because they feel a very strong bond, more than a soulmate connection. That is a twin flame connection basically. Okay, so they want to marry you. Two of Cups. They feel very, if you have any doubt with this person, that this person, how they feel, how they react to the situation, if you will tell them, then this person is in mutual love. Okay, mutual true love connection. This is pure love connection, man. Everything is there. Okay, this person is your soulmate, twin flame, everything is there. So they are not telling you actually that. Okay, they are hiding it very well because of on purpose. Okay, this is on purpose basically. They want to hide it from you. They don't want to let you know about this feelings because they want to reveal it on this very planned time basically. Okay, High Priestess. The world is here. That means maybe they are waiting for something to over, or maybe they are right now basically they are dealing with somebody already and it is just closing off, and then if whenever it close off they will open up. Okay, because it is behind the world, behind the High Priestess, sorry. So let's start your reading. So first card is Nine of Swords. So this person is in very head about you. Okay, they can't sleep well. They can't, means they think that they ruined everything between you two. Maybe you want to offer them something and they denied it, or maybe they want to offer you something and you denied it. Something happened between you two, and that's why this person is not sleeping well. They have nightmares about it. They will lose you or something. So this person is in very head about you basically. So you might be dealing with a Aquarius basically. This is Star card, but they are hopeful basically. They are healing well right now with the situation that happened to you between you two and in the past. So this person is thinking and feeling right now you and they are wishing that everything will be okay. They are asking universe to step up and mend this connection off. Okay. So this person trying to manifest you basically, and I can see that this person is hoping for the best basically. Page of Wands. So they want to communicate with you, and they will communicate with you. They will send you a message. If you reply them, that will be a back and forth message. Okay. So this person is very much interested in you. They want to talk to you about the situation. They want to talk to you about their feelings as well, and they want a light hearted conversation between you two, because they want to be in a comfort zone with you, so that they want to discuss something which is actually toxic. Okay. The devil card is here. Maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn, or Capricorn is in their chart. So this person is dealing with something which is very toxic right now. Maybe their family situation or some work situation maybe. So this person wants to talk to you about it. They want to discuss about it, that they what they are going through right now. That's why they were not easy on you basically. So they want to uh, get this conversation done first, before just being with you in a relationship, because they love you very much. So they want to be truthful about it actually. Okay. So you will give them a pause basically. So you will be like you will take a time basically. You will actually take time to think about it basically, and then you will just tell them that I need some time to discuss you with myself first, so that I will be enlightened with you. And like, I also wanted to be in this relationship, but I have to see the pros and cons of this relationship first. So you will be you will be get enlightened actually. This is actually the given time for you from the universe to take this situation as per as a new perspective. Okay. New perspective has to come, and in your mind, and that's how you should take this decisions. So universe is saying, take your time, take a new perspective, and then take a decision. Okay. So universe is saying like that. Let me pull out one outcome card for you, please. 10 of Cups. Wow. So this person is not stopping about it, and just there will be a back and forth communication which I am talking about, and that means you will be replying to this person. Okay. So there will be a lot of back and forth communication with this person, and I can see that the communication will end up with this 10 of Cups. That is happy family, happy life situation, getting settled, marriage, commitment, etc. This is something which everybody wanted. Okay. So let me pull out Queen of Moon Oracle card for you for this week. Please give me a card. Creation. Okay. And masculine. So I guess somebody who is in masculine character, maybe doesn't have to be a male or female, just it's a masculine character. Maybe their mom or dad, anybody who has masculine character, they have control over them. Something is there. Okay. So they want to get free from this, and universe is saying that this will be okay. Okay. So creation is there. So that new love which I am talking about before, it's a new creation basically. This is a new creation of a new love life basically, and maybe you will be creating so much beautiful moments basically. Here we can see that 10 of Cups. So here we have a solid commitment that you have imagined for, that will be created basically. This will be a creation, and it will end up with this 10 of Cups. Okay. So this was your reading, Capricorn. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.